Simon here from Sydney and Regional Trains Vlogs. Just doing a vlog here at Blacktown requested by Edwin Trains Vlogs, Rayan Khan, Bud and Nathan Ewan. Just on platform 7 is Waratahs at A21. It is a Penrith service, stopping at Doonside, Rooty Hill, Mount Druitt, St Mary's, Warrington, Kingswood and Penrith. We have a Waratah approaching platform 4 for a Hornsby by Macquarie Uni service. Waratahs at A31. Waratahs at A31 is now departing platform 4 for Hornsby via Macquarie Uni service.
Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, and then all stations to Hornsby.
We have a V-set passing. Front forecast B12. Reforecast B15. We have a V-set approaching platform 6 for a Katoomba service. Next stop will be Penrith, then Emu Plains, then all stations to Katoomba. The set is V6.
The next train to arrive on platform 5 goes to Hornsby via Macquarie University. First stop, 7.
We have an Oscar approaching platform 3 while we have a Waratah approaching platform 5. The Waratah is a Hornsby service. The set is A3, the first Waratah to enter service. The Oscar had just stopped before the station. I don't know why.
Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, and then
Waratahs
all
at
stations
A3 is
to
now departing
Hornsby.
for a Hornsby service. Today I won't be filming any trains coming from platform 7 because you can't really see it behind the poles and there's way too many people over there. See that? How many people? I don't want to get everyone on camera like I just did, so yeah, I'm a hypocrite. We have a Lithgow service, arrive onto platform 6. Front four cars are B23. Lithgow service is now departing. Next stop will be Penrith, then Emu Plains, Lapston, Glenbrook, Blacktown, Borromouth, Valley Heights, Springwood, then all stations to Katoomba, then all stations to Lithgow.
First stop, 7 Hills, then Westmead, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney.
Reforecast are B35.
Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park.
We have a Waratah approaching platform 5 for a Hornsby service. Waratahs at A21. have our Macquarie Uni service now departing. Again, the Waratah set is A21.
The train on platform 5 goes to Hornsby via Macquarie University. First stop, Seven Hills, then Westmead, Parramatta.
We have a Waratah approaching platform 6 for an Emu plane service. Waratah set A6. Waratah set A6 now departing for an Emu plane service. To be honest, I actually don't know why the Indian Pacific hasn't passed yet. It's like 4 o'clock now. Sorry guys, but I have to wrap this vlog up now, even though I didn't get the Indian Pacific. I actually don't know where it is. If you know, then tell me down in the comments section below. But anyways, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and request somewhere for me to film. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye for now.